for a special edition of On the Location face painting. We are here at Jefferson's for Kids Night, and this amazing boy is going to help me show you the newest design in my arsenal. We're starting with white star blends, and we just want to give him an angry eyebrow, just like that. Come straight down on his nose and loop underneath his eye right there. And then up here, we just kind of want it to disappear into the hairline and back around. So we're just looking at this top quarter of his face. And we are going to do the same triangle shape, smaller, that is right there. And then we do a little up mark. We do a small triangle here, and then a nice big curve down around there. And we just want to fill in his top lip. So then I'm going to load up with a 1/2-inch filbert, some red and yellow, and then I'm going to follow that top line that I made. And I'm doing sweeping up, just like water, and it'll end up looking like fire. And then I want to come down just a little there, and then back up over his ear and down and around. Now I want to use that same motion up here on the top. So we're going to come down a little bit and just off into his hair. This is a number 4, so I like to start here a little above the corner and do just a few little flicks. And then we do the angry line right there, and come curve around. And then I like to bring it down under the eye and down and around. And then I just connect those. Really heavy top bridge right there. And then one coming up and do a little flick right there. Now we come down right here, and then we just do some flicks up, and then I'll come out for that end one. I usually don't like a stark line, so I'll add a second bridge like it's a profile. And then I just bring in that black nose. One more black line, so it looks like the fire's coming right off of his skull. Now we get to draw those same lines on this little mini skull. And then right here is where we do our little tiny flicks and curve it. We do the top bridge, and then we're going to do the bottom bridge, right like that. And then we bring our second bump and the nose. We come forward and go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we connect these with a loop. And then we do the reverse loop. And then we want that one to have a pupil too. Now this is looking really awesome, but my favorite parts are what bring it out really strong right here. Trace the top arc and the bottom arc. One reverse teardrop up for each tooth. And I do the same, either 1 or 2 on each of these to just give us some teeth. Pull this one up here, pull this one down. Just one more trick to really make it pop. Now you can do this with a damp brush, and we just start pulling that line. We don't want it full on black, but we want to just shadow. This is going to give it a tattoo effect and really just kind of help us look a little more demon scary here. Then if you've got an orange or gold glitter, I would probably choose a warm color. You can sparkle the skull if you want, but I like to sparkle the flame. You can see we're sparkling in pink, but on top of that red, it's just gonna pick up more of the red tone.